Hey everybody, how's it going? Today I bring you the 2011 Lamborghini Gallardo LP570 Superleggera. And this is going to be a full, in-depth tour of the Superleggera. We'll start up, show the engine, go over the performance data, get an exhaust clip, and show you a bunch of the features on the interior as well as exterior. Hey, and today I'm at Lamborghini Carolinas in Greensboro, North Carolina. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up, let it run. The Superleggera Gallardo, or Superlight, weighs in at 3,241 pounds, which means it trimmed about 154 pounds off the base Gallardo. 88 pounds of the weight saving is due to the implementation of carbon fiber replacement parts such as your rear spoiler, side mirrors, seat shells, and door panels. Polycarbonate rear and side windows and a polycarbonate engine cover further reduces the mass, and forged aluminum 19-inch wheels attached with titanium bolts save an additional 28 pounds. Inside, all of the leather upholstery has been replaced with lighter weight Alcantara. The car does retain its air conditioning system, power windows, and all the standard features such as that. So let's go ahead and hop on in. Let's fire up. Very nice. Lamborghini's 6-speed E-gear automated manual system is standard on the Gallardo, but people can also opt for a traditional gated 6-speed at no additional charge. Okay, I'm going to count the hazards: fog lights, headlights, both the front windows are automatic. And let's check out the exterior. High intensity discharge LED accented headlights. And the little blinking that you see from it is an effect from the camera. LP570 tires, carbon fiber side molding, the Ford designates the Gallardo's permanent all-wheel drive system. It basically uses a central viscous coupling and a default torque split of 30 to 70 front to rear. LED tail lamps, large quad exhaust tips, I believe the only two options that are missing on this car are the carbon ceramic brakes and the rear backup camera. Modified underbody covers, new sill elements, larger front intakes, and a redesigned rear diffuser help manage airflow for this car. And like I said, this standard carbon fiber rear spoiler Actually produces as much as 50% more downforce than the non-Superleggera Gallardo. A larger rear spoiler is available. To stop the Gallardo Superleggera, comes with a pair of 8-piston brakes up front and a set of 4-piston rear units. And like I said, carbon ceramic brakes are an option. Go ahead and pop the front. It's a modest sized amount of storage space. Just for a couple small things. Now I'm going to go ahead and pop the rear. This Gallardo comes with a 5.2-liter V10, which produces 10 additional horsepower thanks to our new engine management system. 0 to 60 takes about 3.4 seconds, a third of a second quicker than the standard Gallardo, and at a standstill, 124 miles an hour is achieved in only 10.2 seconds. Power locks, aluminum pedals, color contrast stitching, as well as the stitching on the dash around the speedometer cluster. And let's go ahead and see how she sounds. It's your dual zone automatic climate control. Defrost settings. Fan speed. Different zones. Daytime running lights or power mirror control. This raises the front end so you can more easily pass over speed bumps and the like. Your audio system. Alrighty. And I'm going to shut it down. Let's check out the rest of the vehicle. And we'll pop the fuel cap. Wide opening doors. It's a manual passenger seat as well. The Alcantara is a very nice touch to the car. It's very soft, gives a nice welcoming appearance. Auxiliary input. Well guys, hope you enjoyed the in-depth tour on the 2011 Lamborghini Gallardo LP570 Superleggera. Be sure to stay tuned next time. There's a lot more where that came from. Take care everybody.